How to make apple chips the easy way. I only use GALA apples for this. I've tried all other varieties of apples and none of them taste as good as the GALA. And the worst of all were the Granny Smiths. So first of all, get your apples, get yourself a good corer that has a nice serrated edge, and as you do more and more apples, you'll get better at getting it centered perfectly. So this way you just get the core out and you won't miss getting the core. If you go to the side, you can redirect it a little bit, because usually you'll get one side perfect and then the other side you may miss the center. So keep coring all the apples that you need here. I cored at least 15 apples. One apple sliced fills almost a whole tray on a dehydrator. Now, if you don't want to hold the apple while you're coring it, you can put it on a cutting board. I use the plate here, but actually a cutting board is going to give you a little bit more safety so you don't accidentally cut yourself with the serrated blade. Now, I use a mandolin slicer to slice my apples. I use the guard so that this way I don't wind up cutting myself. I have cut myself before using a mandolin slicer. And the apples turn out nice. They're about 3 millimeters thick. And if you make much thicker slices, then they won't dehydrate well. I use the Magic Mill Commercial Pro XL dehydrator. Mine has 10 shelves. The unit is all stainless steel, which makes it easy to clean. It has an adjustable temperature and time. And now they've upgraded it to where it has 11 shelves. First, place a clean Teflon sheet on each tray and place your apple slices on that. If you don't use the Teflon, then it's going to be very, very hard to get the apples off if you just put it straight on the metal trays. Now, align your apples. Put them on the Teflon sheet. This sheet is also waterproof. You can also use this to make fruit roll-ups. After you finish using the sheet, then make sure you wash them off and let them dry for next time. Here, the whole sheet is loaded with apple slices. I have two different colors of Teflon sheets. And once you're loaded, then you can go ahead and stick it into the dehydrator. Here you can hear the sound of the dehydrator. It is fairly loud when you open it, but when they have the front door closed, it's quiet. It's not bad at all. Here's what your trays look like when they're loaded and you shove them into the dehydrator. Here's the tray when it comes out and it's dried. Usually I run the dehydrator 24 hours. When you take it out, the slices usually peel off of the Teflon sheet very easily. I just put them into a airtight container. You want to get something that has a good lid that's going to snap on. Otherwise, your chips will get soggy again when they get rehydrated. Now here's your chips, and they're all nice and dried and finished and pretty, and you can see how crispy they are. They're very, very thin. They're about the same thickness as a potato chip, and they're nice and crunchy and crispy, and they taste delicious. The GALA apples are 100 times better than all the other apples. So here you have your presentation of your apple chips on a nice serving tray. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.